Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log in to Stripe Atlas, set up and manage your startup company step by step clearly. Open your web browser on your computer and make sure your internet connection is stable. Type stripe.com/atlas in the address bar and press enter. On the Stripe Atlas page, look for the sign in button at the top right of the screen. Click sign in to go to the Stripe login page. Enter the email address you used when creating your Stripe Atlas account. Type your Stripe password carefully and check for any typing mistakes. Click the Sign In button to continue. If Stripe asks for two-factor authentication, open your Authenticator app or check your SMS code. Enter the verification code into the Stripe prompt and submit it. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Your Password and follow the reset email instructions. After logging in, confirm you are in the correct workspace if you manage multiple Stripe accounts. From the Stripe dashboard, find the Atlas section or use the search bar to locate Atlas tools. Open the Atlas dashboard to view your company formation status and tasks. Check your incorporation timeline to see what is completed and what is still pending. Upload any requested documents by selecting the Upload option and choosing the correct file from your device. Verify your personal details and founder information to avoid delays in compliance checks. Review your company information such as legal name, address, and entity type for accuracy. Go to the banking or payments area to connect your business bank account if it is required. If you are setting up Stripe payments, follow the prompts to activate your account and complete identity verification. Navigate to the tax and compliance settings to find any forms you need to submit. Download or view your incorporation documents and store them safely in a secure folder. Set up team access by inviting co-founders or admins with the right permissions. Use the notifications or email settings to ensure you receive important Atlas updates. If you need support, open the Help or Support section and choose Atlas-related assistance. For security, enable strong two-factor authentication and update your password if it is weak. Log out after finishing by clicking your profile icon and selecting Sign Out. Next time, return to stripe.com/atlas and repeat the same sign-in steps to continue managing your startup. Keep your documents and account details updated to prevent interruptions in your company setup process. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.